Now, this is the exercise of lesson number 8, the Gulistan of Sadi. The slave had never experienced any calamity. The boat started tossing means that the boat started shaking. The slave began to cry and tremble means that in tremble in fear of being drowned. The slave was thrown into the river to experience the true danger of life. Who was Nishirvan? A Persian king. The king was famous for his justice. The foundation of oppression was small in the world means there was little cruelty in the world. This is option number D is correct. The king fell seriously ill and all hopes of his recovery went out of existence. B option is correct. Went out of existence. डिसअपियर्ड फेडेड भी ठीक है वैसे ऑल डी बल्कि ज़्यादा करेक्ट है पीछे है कि ऑल होप्स ऑफ हिज रिकवरी डिसअपियर्ड फेडेड कह सकते हैं आप कम हो गई व्हाट पर्पस डिड द पेरेंट्स गिव कंसेंट टू किल देयर सन फॉर मनी दिस इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी ऑन हियरिंग द वर्ड्स ऑफ द बॉय द किंग कुड नॉट कंट्रोल हिज टीयर्स द बॉय सेव्ड हिज लाइफ बाय प्रेइंग टू गॉड ऑलमाइटी True and false. A Persian slave was not sailing in the king's boat. False. The slave was used to voyaging. False. All the passengers remained quiet except the slave. True. He was pacified by the surgeon. True. The king punished the surgeon for training the slave. False. The king of Persia was famous for his justice. True. The boy paid for the salt. False. The king got the consent of the parents by giving them a huge amount of wealth. True. The boy looked towards the king and smiled. False. He looked toward the sky. The king shed the blood of the innocent boy. False. What was the advice given by Noshirwan to his people? The advice given by Noshirwan to his people was to be just, kind, and not to take any kind of undue advantage of their position. He said that the foundation of oppression in the world was small. Whoever enlarged it so that it reached its present magnitude is at fault. और भी उसने कहा था a tyrant does not live in this world but the curse on him abides forever. So actually जो उसने advice दी है that is to be just, to be honest in one's dealings and not to take any kind of undue advantage because of their position. So what was the remedy suggested by the physician for the disease of the king? The remedy आज आप question से लेंगे. The remedy suggested by the physicians for the cure of the king disease for cure of the disease of the king was the bile of a person endued with certain qualities. endued होता है जो जिसमें जो जिसमें शामिल हो. endued is you can say bestowed with. Why did the boy look to the sky and smile? The boy looked, यहाँ से आप यहीं से देखें आधा तो क्वेश्चन आंसर आपका यहीं से बन गया है. दा को टी को कैपिटल कर दें. The boy looked to the sky and smiled. Smile को smiled कर दें. Because he said that after his death he will complain to God Almighty of the injustice of the Qazi and king and of the you can say hard-heartedness of his parents. कि वो मरने के बाद अल्लाह ताला के पास जाके शिकायत करेगा. That's why he looked towards the sky and smiled. What should be the role of a Qazi? Of course, the role of a Qazi should be to do justice. He should not discriminate without any discrimination between rich and poor. He should be just. He should do justice without discriminating between the rich and the poor or a beggar and a king. Why did the king weep? The king wept after hearing the words of the boy that after his death he would because he has not received any kindness from his parents and the king wants to kill him. The boy said the king thinks that the king will recover by killing him and the Qazi is not being just. So when the boy said that after his death the boy will complain to God of the cruelty of all these people, the king wept after hearing the words of the boy. Okay. उस लड़के के अल्फाज सुन के बादशाह को रोना आ गया था जब लड़के ने कहा कि वो अल्लाह ताला के पास मरने के बाद जाके शिकायत करेगा इन सब के जुल्म की. How did the king recover? The king recovered by being kind towards the boy, by not slaying an innocent boy and by letting him go, by being kind. as the king had been kind towards the boy, so God Almighty in return had been kind to the king. कि यही अल्लाह मियाँ चाहते थे बादशाह से भी कि वो भी वही कुछ करे कि बादशाह ने लड़के के साथ रहमदिली की तो अल्लाह ताला ने भी बादशाह के साथ रहमदिली की और बादशाह सेहतयाब हो गया. So write a note on the character of Nushirwan. Nushirwan was a king of Persia. He was famous for his justice. He was of the view that even a little undue favor should not be taken. He ordered the boy to pay for salt, and even such a trifling matter as such a small thing, even as salt, should not be taken by force. ये कुछ ऐसी किस्म की उसकी बहुत सारी हैं कि tyrant doesn't live in this world forever but the curse on him abides forever. वो सारी बातें आप उसकी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं कि कैरेक्टर ऑफ नौशरवान के उसकी इक्वालिटी के बारे में, जस्टिस के बारे में, विजडम के बारे में, उस वाक़े से जो स्टोरी जो भी कुछ हुई है कि इतनी सी भी कहीं वो कोई अनड्यू फेवर नहीं लेना चाह रहा और अपने सोल्जर्स को भी यही बता रहा है कि दे शुड पे फॉर एवरीथिंग दे टेक. What should be the role of the king? The role of the king should be to be kind towards his subjects and to take care of the needs of his subjects. Can an unjust king flourish? Of course, an unjust king cannot flourish. Second tale is the tale of Noshirwan. Second tale, जिसमें वो कहता है कि नमक के भी पैसे दो. एक छोटी सी चीज़ भी लेने से फ़र्क पड़ जाता है कि ऊपर से ही ऑनेस्टी चलती है और ऊपर से ही अगर थोड़ी डिसऑनेस्टी चलेगी तो वो नीचे आके बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. So the moral lesson is a tyrant doesn't abide in this world forever but the curse on him abides forever. कि एक जालिम हमेशा ज़िंदा नहीं रहता लेकिन उसके ऊपर लानत मलामत जो लोग करते हैं वो हमेशा रहती है. ये आता नहीं है आपको. वैसे डिस्क्राइब एन इवेंट इन विच द ट्रबल ऑफ वन पर्सन अफेक्ट्स द अदर्स, ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते. प्रपोजिशंस क्या लॉन्ग आपको ये प्रपोजिशंस ही हैं ये ज़्यादातर, ये आपको फोर्थ ईयर में सेकेंड ईयर में आती हैं. बाकी सेंटेंसेस बनाने नहीं आते. फ्रेजल वर्ब्स भी आपको सेकेंड ईयर में आती है. पंक्चुएट आप पीछे से देख के करेंगे खुद से. और प्रेसी राइटिंग भी आपको इस साल नहीं आती. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम, ये भी आपको थर्ड ईयर में आती है. चलिए मेन आपने एक्सरसाइज इसकी कर ली. दैट्स इट.